Today we are looking at a Super 47B grain cleaner. This unit has been completely rebuilt and is in excellent, ready to run condition. We have also updated this unit with our VFD controller on the fan. In a minute we will fire that up so you can see this unit run. The VFD controller eliminates the old mechanical variable ratio pulley system here. There used to be a big ship's wheel here that you would turn, and that would move the pulley in or out mechanically, and it would change the ratio down here at the bottom, thus spinning the fan faster or slower. We've done away with all of that, and we now use this computerized VFD. It's a much better system. It really updates these beautiful wooden cleaners, and it makes them just as convenient and practical as a new machine. We're just going to do a walk around of the unit. This unit will clean easily 100 bushels per hour. It would do an excellent job on wheat, corn, soybeans, any other commodity. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt. This is a single-phase unit. This unit is powered by 2 electric motors. We've got a 1 horsepower down here for the shaker shaft. That runs the eccentric shaft that shakes the shoe back and forth. And then we have a 1.5 horsepower motor down here that runs the blower fan here. And the fan is what takes away the chaff. We've also updated this unit with our ball tray system. This ball tray system can be bought for any grain cleaner. This is the wooden Chalk Farm style ball trays. We sell these units and we manufacture them. I'm just doing a walk around of the unit. You can see that this is all rebuilt, looking like new. The camera speaks for itself. Everything's nice and bright, looking good. Roll feed hopper is rebuilt. This unit is ready to plug in and use. Now that we've done a walk around, let's do that so you can see it run. All right, here you can see the unit running. Now I have only fired up one motor. We're running the shaker motor right now. You can see the balls are shaking back and forth. Comes right along. There are no irregular noises. Everything has really good agitation. Everything is working as it should. Now we are going to fire up the fan motor so we can demonstrate that with its VFD capabilities. All right, we've got the grain cleaner hooked up here in our machinist bay. The 220 power was in use out there for another machine, so we went ahead and moved inside here. This unit runs off of 220 volts, single phase. It powers this fan motor down here. We've equipped this with our VFD package. The VFD really simplifies the unit. I'm going to demonstrate it for you here. Right now it's set to 600. If I hit the run button, it fires right up. No irregular noises. Starts strong, runs strong. Now this VFD allows you to adjust your RPM of the fan shaft here by single RPMs, 10 RPMs, and 100 RPMs at a time. So if I hit the button 3 times, I can adjust the RPM by hundreds. See, I've slowed it down to 512. If I want to slow it down to 500 even, I can adjust it by single RPMs. Hopefully you can hear that the tone changed a little bit. It's slowed down by 12 RPMs. I can adjust it further by slowing it down by 10 RPMs. Now it's at 430. You can hear that it's slowed down, and I can adjust it even more by hitting single RPMs. And then if I go over 3 more times, I can adjust it by 100 RPMs again. Now it's running really slow. You wouldn't really need your air to be this slow unless you're doing something really light like clover seed or grass seed. But this is just a demonstration of how much you can adjust your fan with our upgraded VFD system. Really modernizes these units and makes them a much nicer machine. No longer do you have to turn the ship's wheel and get it set by trial and error. The way you used to adjust your fan speed was you would turn it a few times, come to the back of the cleaner, see if you're blowing out good product, then you would slow it down or speed it up based on your needs. This is going to allow you to just hit the button, and once you get your settings set for whatever grass seed you're cleaning or whatever type of wheat or barley or oats, you can say, okay, when I'm running oats, I need my fan set at 350, etc., etc. This is going to allow you to create a chart of your commodities needs. Then we just hit the stop button and the fan will come to a stop. This grain cleaner can be bought through us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.